So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can check if your iPhone is new or refurbished. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General and then tap on About. Now here you will see all the details of your phone including name, iOS version, model number, serial number, warranty, etc. To check if the iPhone is new or refurbished, look at the first letter of the model number. So the first letter represents if the iPhone is new, refurbished or replacement. Here the first letter of the model number of my iPhone is M. So let's check what it means. So generally, you will see these four letters at the beginning of the model number: M, F, N and P. If the first letter of the model number is M, then this means the iPhone is new. If the first letter is F, then that means the iPhone is refurbished. If the first letter is N, then that means the iPhone is replacement device. If the first letter is P, then this means the iPhone is personalized with custom engraving. So here P means new iPhone but with custom engraving. So as you can see here, the first letter of the model number is M. Then this means my iPhone is new. So this is how you can check if your iPhone is new or refurbished. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.